What's up, guys? I'm going to be doing some fishing today. I'm going to be using this Strike King Mini Pro Buzz in white. Let's see what I can do. There's a fish. That's a pretty good creek bass right there. No, you are not getting back in the water. It's a nice fish. Gotta go get the stringer. I'm gonna put on the stringer, try to catch another good one so I can get a picture and put him in the water, and I will get back to you guys. Fish number 2 right there. Nice little bass. There's a fish. Second good fish of the day right there. Finally got another decent one on the Buzzbait. Gonna go put him on the stringer with the other big one and hopefully catch some more. Hey guys, well, I caught another decent little bass. I put him on the stringer so I can get some pictures of him later. Unfortunately, I could not get it on camera because my first GoPro battery died, but I put the second one in. Not sure how long it's going to last because it's not fully charged, but I'm about done fishing anyway. Just going to cast a few times to this spot and then probably leave. So if I catch another one, I'll get back to you.